Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a GoHighLevel email campaign. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing and reach your audience more effectively, this process will help you create, customize, and send professional campaigns in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in using your GoHighLevel credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main workspace where all your marketing tools are available. Next, look at the left navigation panel and click on Marketing. This will direct you to the site's page initially, but don't worry, we're going one step further. At the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Click on Emails to access the email marketing section of GoHighLevel. In the Emails menu, you'll notice three main options displayed at the top of your screen: Statistics, Campaigns, and Templates. For this tutorial, click on Campaigns. This is where you'll organize and manage all your email marketing efforts in one central location. Now, from the Campaigns menu, look toward the right side of your screen where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this button and a pop-up menu will appear. This is your starting point for creating a new email campaign. From the options presented, select Email Marketing Template. This choice allows you to work with pre-designed layouts that save time and ensure professional results. You'll now be presented with several marketing templates to choose from. Browse through the available options and select one that best suits your specific needs and brand style. Once you've made your selection, wait a moment while GoHighLevel adds the template to your campaign. After the configuration process completes, you'll be automatically directed to the Email Campaign Editor page. This is your creative workspace where you can fully customize the email campaign you want to send out. Here you can modify text, images, colors, and layout elements to match your message and branding. Once you've finished customizing your email, take advantage of the preview function to see exactly how your campaign will look to recipients. This step helps you catch any errors or formatting issues before sending. Finally, it's time to send or schedule your campaign. Fill out the required fields based on whether you want to send your email immediately or schedule it for a later time. When you're satisfied with everything, click Review and Send located in the top right corner of your screen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.